But may pinaghuhugutan po ako. Yung pinaghuhugutan ko po was the training that I had here, the discipline. Yung disiplina po, perseverance above all prayer. I am sure lahat po nandito na mga hijos, mga ex-seminarians, we all pray at the very last moment. Lahat po ng kilala ko, maging sa Congress ng mga seminarista dati, they always talk about prayer. When all else fail, they pray. Yun naman po ang kagandahan ng seminaryo na naituro po sa amin na nasa labas ngayon na hindi naging pare, that you pray. Kaya nga po, what I'm saying is, never did I regret entering the seminary, though hindi po ako naging pare, but I learned a lot. It has taught me everything. It has taught me the right way of life. It has taught me the fear of God. It has taught me the right from wrong.